Hello, in front of me I've got Realme GT 2. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and enter Display and Brightness. Right here you will find every settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change display mode between light and dark. You can also schedule the dark mode. And in dark mode settings you can change dark mode style between enhanced, medium and gentle, adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust icons to dark mode, reduce contrast in low light conditions, and enable dark mode for third-party apps. Then you can change brightness level of the display manually or via auto brightness. Then you can change screen color mode between Vivid, Natural, Pro, Cinematic and Brilliant. Also you can change screen color temperature. Then you can enable or disable eye comfort mode, schedule it, change color temperature, and select display effects between color and black and white. Then you can change font, font size, font weight, or enable adaptive font weight. Then you can change display size between large, standard and small. And next, you can enable image sharpener, video color enhancer, video motion enhancement, and bright HDR video mode. Then you can enable or disable auto rotate screen, auto screen off, change screen refresh rate between auto, select high and standard, and enable full screen mode for apps. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.